This type of creatures we can use homeopathy very efficiently with a very good result. There are so many advantages in using homeopathy in veterinary practice. As you are aware that in rural veterinary hospitals, there are shortage of medicines and diagnostic facilities. In adopting homeopathy, we have to observe and physical examination and symptoms produced, exhibited by this animal. But from these symptoms itself, we can select remedies. By a little bit of this knowledge in homeopathy and the grace of God, I are very much confident in treating almost all the conditions of the different species of the veterinary patients. We can treat another main advantage is the easiness for administration. While giving injections to ferocious animals and wild animals, the vets and the handlers get injuries and very dangerous situation with a zoonotic disease. While adopting homeopathy, we can just spray this medicated water over the body of the animal. Itself will cure the condition. I can't present this presentation without mentioning these two people. Dr. Naveen sir is no more with us. He is the pioneer in introducing homeopathy in the veterinary practice, and he was the instrumental in introducing us in the field of veterinary homeopathy. Another person is Sri Madanan, is actually not a homeopathic, but without graduation, but he is having deep knowledge in the materia medica, and we conducted many classes in my home during the initial stage. And these are the another important advantage in using homeopathy in food producing animals. Nowadays, consumers are very concerned about the hazards in the foods they are consuming. While adopting the homeopathy, the main critics of the other systems of medicines that homeopathy medicine is nothing, only some spiritual healing is that. When we are using these antibiotics and other injections, we have to keep the even after giving cure, we have to keep some time to consume that product. That is the withdrawal period. And nowadays, mostly the farmers are not keeping keeping the withdrawal period. After getting cure, next day they will supply that milk to the consumers. While adopting homeopathy, whenever there is a cure, that product is safe for the consumption of the consumers. Another advantage of homeopathy experienced by me that there is no expiry date in the homeopathic medicine. The medicine first stage in the 2004 when first stage purchased the medicine, started purchasing medicine in 2004. With that medicine, even today we are getting excellent results. That time these medicines are available in 400 ml bottle. Now it is only 100 ml and 30 ml. That bottles are with me till now and getting very excellent results with that medicine, even after 20 years after purchasing that medicine. And comparing the other system of medicines, homeopathy is cost effective. Nowadays in Kerala, the farming with the dairy cattle is very economically not viable. Only the farmers adopting the homeopathy are just getting some reward only. Other farms are always almost closed with they are not using the homeopathy. Almost all farmers abandon their cows in the field. in any system of treatment, as a junior, we have to improve our case success rate. While adopting the homeopathy, the case success rate is improved. Next slide, please. In rural area, there is no diagnostic facilities, and during the early period of our practice in government veterinary dispensaries, there is only minimal supply of medicines. By 2010 onwards, local body is funding for purchase of medicines. Even these type of cases in mastitis, in Downer cow syndrome. Downer cow syndrome is the cows are not able to get up. They will be fell down in the floor and is not able to. And another major area is the viral diseases, devastating diseases like FMD, RD in poultry, and PPR, another fatal disease in small ruminants like goats and sheep. Within hours, a very good number of goats are died due to PPR. We can easily control that condition while using homeopathic remedies. Another killing disease in the cats is the panleukopenia. Within a short time, many cats of the area is wiped out with this viral disease. And nowadays, the main problem faced by the dairy farmers is that hemoprotozoan diseases. Just like this diabetes in human case, animal is running down with this hemoprotein disease, and later it is become downer, and the very high economic loss to the farmers. If it is treated with correct time with the homeopathic remedies, most of the cases can get good results in the hemoprotozoan disease. Another area, challenging area is the dermatitis. When we are treating dermatitis with the allopathic system of medicine, we have to treat it for months together to get a result. Even that it will recur after 1 or 2 months later. While using homeopathic remedies, that result we get is complete, and there is no recurrence is there in the dermatitis cases. Another area of application is the post-operative care and wound management. When we are conducting surgeries, I am not using any antibiotic or analgesics, only injection for the anesthesia only. After that, we are only giving homeopathic remedies for the wound healing. And we are infiltrating this calendula and hypericum in the wounds, the surgery site, visceral organs. Then the very good healing is attained within very short time of the goats. When we are doing surgery, they are very prone to tetanus. But many cases I done surgery without giving tetanus toxoid, only with homeopathy, good results, good healing with no wound sepsis was noticed. Infertility menace. Another important problem faced by the dairy farmers nowadays is the infertility. There are many reasons for that, mainly this nutritional deficiency. As in north, we have short of land, and there is no chance for grazing. Free grazing of the large cattle population is not possible in Kerala now. They are starved. Then the problem of nutritional imbalance and hormonal imbalance, and for the treatment of the infertility in other system requires very large amount, and results is very low also. I got 100% results in many farms, With recently a farms where 36 animals are under infertility treatment for more than 2 years from our university's faculties. And I taken it as a challenge and given the medicines, and all the 36 animals become delivered. There are such many experiences with me. And another problems faced by the large animal practitioners is the difficult birth. And when we are using the homeopathic medicine during the pregnancy period itself, we can avoid this difficult birth, and we can give easy calving. That is a very good support to the dairy farmers. Most of the cases will come in the late night, difficult calving. When we are giving that remedies to the farmer, our good sleep is ensured. Behavioral problems like kicking, biting, and this type of behavioral problems can be easily controlled by using homeopathic remedies. This is the in in human or in the animal case taking or observation, physical examination is the prime most important. When you take a case very efficiently, the result is 50% is assured. In veterinary also, we have to take that case each organ by organ, observation, any deviation from the normal things, we have to take into consideration while giving remedies. One case video is there. Yes, that viral disease. Due to short of time, I am completing this section. I have many cases with videos and all. It needs hours to complete. But due to short of time, I am stopping here. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Dash Hunt. And she was suffering from pet fever. Pet fever, no? Sparrow. He was suffering from sparrow. Then I went to one veterinary clinic nearby, and I spent more than 12,500 rupees within 3 days. On 4th day, I asked them how many more days I have to bring her there. She is 9 years old. Then he told another 16 days more I have to take her there. Then I was really worried. Then Dr. Manoj told me, why you are not contacting Dr. Musthafa? Then that time only I remembered about him. Then I contacted him, and he told me to give some medicines to that pet. Within 3 hours, I was sitting in my chair, and she was coming to me, and within 3 hours, she is calling me, asking for food. Since last 7 days, she was not at all taking food as well as water. Then I was really, what to tell, I was really happy. And then and there itself, I told Musthafa, see, I am very thankful to you for the only homeopathic medicine. He suggested homeopathic medicine only, and that I could not remember, but he remembered. Medorinum, arsenic, and China crotalus, all 4. He asked me to give. Within 3 hours, she was asking for food. I am so grateful to you, Musthafa. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor.